through the settings, tips, and explanations listed in this video, you will familiarize yourself with the basic program structure, master the basic operations, get to know different PaperOffice areas, as well as understanding how you can work with different views in PaperOffice. Learn general term definition, and learn how to use the PaperOffice functions. As a result, in just 7 simple steps, you will understand the PaperOffice interface as well as all system settings and functions, and learn how to use them. Hello, I'm Olivia Davis from PaperOffice Europe, and I warmly welcome you to our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to it yet, so do it right now. It's free and you'll never miss important workshops again. Additional interesting sources of information about PaperOffice can also be found on our social media platforms, such as Facebook and Twitter. It's definitely worth following. The PaperOffice user interface is clearly structured and consists of 7 areas. The first area represents the view options. By default, PaperOffice starts with the view by folder, and this is divided into: first, My Quick View. My Quick View section is generated automatically and intelligently by PaperOffice, so you have quick access to frequently used documents. In addition, you can mark documents as favorites or put them on a watch list if you need them quickly and easily at any time. These will then be listed here. Immediately below is My Inbox. A predefined folder structure is also displayed under My Inbox, with the folder designation Email or Scan Documents. These serve as a kind of guide for your folder structure. You can archive your emails or scan documents in these folders in advance, as long as the documents have not received any assignment or further workflows. Second, My PaperOffice Documents and My Windows Documents. The PaperOffice folder structure supports a hybrid mode that combines the best of both worlds: data storage in the PaperOffice SQL database, as well as data storage in the Windows file system through virtual mount of Windows folders. The exact differences of hybrid mode in the folder list are described in our other videos. Common PaperOffice documents, as well as common Windows documents, are only relevant if you are working within the network. And all folders that are stored under My PaperOffice Documents and virtual mounted under My Windows Documents are not visible in the network. And all folders that are stored in common PaperOffice Documents and virtual mounted in common Windows Documents are therefore visible in the network. You can simply drag and drop folders within each mode to organize them. Each folder can also be assigned individual release levels for specific users if the folder is available on the network but should not be visible to everyone. The icons to the left of the folders are used for quick navigation. Simply move the left mouse button over the corresponding symbol, such as My Inbox, My PaperOffice Documents, or Common Inbox, and the folder list will scroll to this main folder. The icon at the top updates the folder list, rescans all folders, and updates the folder view. Right-click the folder to open the context menu for the selected folder. Here you can edit the folder properties and store notes and comments on the folder, change the folder symbol, carry out automation and monitoring, or add a folder color and export all documents from this folder. Another click with the right mouse button or a simple click on the X symbol closes the context menu. Please note that these subfolders have different folder options than the main folders. This folder structure is a predefined folder structure which is supplied after the first installation. It is also installed so that you feel comfortable with the interface after an initial installation. You can delete it or replace it with another predefined folder structure, for example, business folder structure, or use your own. PaperOffice supports various view options. In total, this area includes 5 different so-called display options. The view, which is set by default to display by folder, can also be changed by status, keywords, document type, and contacts. Thus, all documents are listed according to the status entries. Click on the corresponding icon below and change the view. The document list displayed in the To area lists the documents stored in the currently selected folder. The document entry in the document list already contains all possible information about the document. To add a note to the document, left-click on the document preview and drag in the area for which you want to save a note. This is how you can see from the green tag next to the corresponding symbol that a document contains a note. How to manage, edit, and create notes and tasks for your notes is explained in a separate video. All further workshops relevant to this video are listed in the description. Well, as you can see as a result, added notes, tasks, or contacts are already highlighted in the document list. Since documents can also be displayed virtually in any number of other folders in addition to the actual storage folder without creating duplicates, you can see from this symbol if this document has virtual folder links. The thumbnail of the One Document page helps to recognize the document immediately at first glance. You can view or edit the properties of the selected document by left-clicking on the appropriate icon, or call up the entire context menu of the document by clicking on the corresponding symbol with the left mouse button and then selecting any entry, such as Document Properties. Tabs with different sections representing the properties of the document are displayed and can be selected by you. In addition, you can easily add virtual post-it notes as comments to the document by clicking on the second tab in Properties and leaving a comment on the document in the Comments field. Don't forget to set the checkmark for visibility and saving your changes. Which settings you can make under Document Properties and what the different tabs mean, as well as which document data is already recognized, read out, and automatically stored by the integrated AI is explained to you in a separate video or described in detail in our Help Desk. You always get explicit instructions in our Help Desk by clicking on the question mark symbol. Close the Properties window by clicking on X. In the 3 area, the document preview, all document pages of the selected document are displayed in the preview. You can switch between the individual pages by clicking on them with the left mouse button. The icons in the 3 area, which are located to the right of the document preview, give you access to further options of the current document or the selected document page. Whether you rotate a document by 180 degrees, send it with Outlook, print it, open it in as a PDF file, display recognized text of the document page and search explicitly in it, added stamps, contacts associated with the document, notes and tasks on the document, and versions. The most important document elements are displayed here at a glance and can be edited by clicking on the corresponding symbol. Search for documents, and the document content of all available documents is described below under Area 5. However, the quick search for an explicit document content can be carried out here. In the 4 area, you can call up various menu options using the top menu bar. Behind the individually callable main points hiding further functions, which you will use in your daily work with PaperOffice. 1. You can use the first button to display a further module selection. You can edit the currently selected document with the Workbench editing tool, as well as call up general notes and tasks, Password Manager, Password Safe, Calendar View, Contacts, and Data Backup. 2. Using the Add button, which is marked as a plus sign, you can add and edit a document copy of the currently selected document to Workbench. You can use your scanner to add paper documents. Using the Print command and the integrated virtual printer called Printer Connect, you can easily print your documents virtually in PaperOffice. Add files via drag and drop, capture screenshots using screen capture, archive web pages, and set up folder monitoring. 3. Various storage modes are hidden behind the next symbol. Because PaperOffice can automatically recognize all your documents thanks to the AI-based intelligent storage, as well as index them, read out the entire content, and then store them fully automatically in the correct destination folder. The AI PIA PaperOffice Intelligent Automation integrated in PaperOffice ensures intelligent storage. How to learn in documents and assign storage masks is explained in a separate video or by calling our help desk with the topic. PaperOffice always launches the interface with your personalized daily briefing. Here you can see whether documents and tasks have been resubmitted, due or completed for today or the next 14 days to remind you. From here, you can also access other functions, such as help and support, as well as quick program setup, or simply tell us your opinion about PaperOffice by sending us your smile or a frown. We really value your opinion and always look forward to your feedback. In the 5 area, you will find the innovative and intelligent PaperOffice search bar. All information stored in PaperOffice is automatically searched, such as the document name, the text it contains, stored receipt data or information from user-defined fields, folder names, and comments on the document. In addition, you always have a clear overview of the most recently added documents and folders. Simply click in the search bar. The overview is displayed automatically. To activate the search, simply enter the search term in the search bar. PaperOffice carries out an immediate live search. It also shows where the search result is located. So you see at first glance whether the search hit is in the document, email, or folder name by highlighting the search terms in yellow. If the hit is in the text recognition or comment, then this is indicated as an OCR hit and text hit accordingly. Matches from custom fields are marked with the CF indicator. PaperOffice search results are automatically sorted by date. The most recent documents, emails, and folders appear at the top. In order to narrow down your search results or to carry out advanced export actions, simply click on the Switch to Advanced Search/Filter/Export button. Here you can use the filter settings to limit your search results and then pass them on to your tax advisor, for example. This means you can conveniently enter your receipts with PaperOffice and benefit from all the associated advantages, and thus not only save everything directly in PaperOffice, but also pre-account the receipts in PaperOffice. Then simply select a specific period and/or document type using the filter settings and export them as an Excel list, including all account assignment fields. You can easily get to the main view by clicking on the symbol with the down arrow on the left. The 6th area includes workflows, user management, automation and monitoring, and settings. Workflows assigned to documents that have been minimized appear next to the user icon and light up blue. Clicking on the minimized workflow opens the workflow overview in which you can complete the workflow, postpone it, or minimize it again. You can find more detailed workshops and tutorials on the subject of workflow on our YouTube channel. PaperOffice has built-in data backup and automated data recovery feature to restore all data in the shortest possible time, even after a total computer crash, providing 100% security. As well as the one-click mass exporter, PaperOffice can export all of your data and its folder structure at any time with just a click of the mouse if you no longer want to use PaperOffice, need documents unencrypted, or simply want to feel independent. PaperOffice supports you with the integrated intelligent help system in the best possible way and adapts to the content displayed. Simply click on the question mark to display the help. The question mark is displayed for every module and every view. The 7th area includes system notifications. Documents in progress shows if you have currently documents in editing mode. Documents in process lists all documents that have been processed or are in a processing step right now. You can see at a glance whether and when text recognition and thumbnail creation were carried out. That's it with our introductory video on the topic of PaperOffice interface. I hope that we were able to help you and give you a little insight into the document management interface. You can always find further information and instructions in our ComDesk at www.paperoffice.com, or if you have an active PaperOffice Plus, simply arrange a callback appointment. and one of our supporters will be happy to help you by phone and TeamViewer and answer all your questions. Thank you for watching.